Good afternoon, everybody. This is Karen Martz, and we're soon to wrap up our golf cart tour. Oh, Freedom, don't tip. Oh my God. Look at that red angle. This is the D Holloway flight. 80-foot cockatiel flight. And hey, Freedom. And Freedom and I are going to walk around and give grapes to the birds. Freedom might have to cool down in the welcome center for a little while. Hey, Freedom. Was that eucalyptus tree there last year?
Yep.
That's a big tree. Hey, Freedom. Freedom's like, oh my God, I'm hardly able to stay on this cart. Hey, Freedom. Okay, so this is the big McCall flight to be. Hey, Freedom. Hello. We got pretty pink flowers. We got our food area. Hey, Freedom. Got your bulldozing abilities, etc. I don't know if that's the right equipment term for those. And, oh my God. All right, guys, so it's June the 7th, Thursday. Hi, Freedom. And it's almost 5:30, so Freedom and I are going to walk around and give out some grapes and some almonds. And then we'll come back tomorrow and do our filming. All right, we're signing off. It's Karen Martz. Have a great day.